Hi guys, Brian again here from Mega Titan Power. It's a bit of an exciting video for us today. See that Learjet, they're pulling away there. We received a phone call asking us, do we want to come and start a turbo fan with a Titan box? We said yes, please. We've never done a turbo fan before, so it's a Learjet. So we jumped in the car, rushed here, and then the Titan box was depleted. It was about 70% depleted. It was doing ground runs on Elevate 3 the whole day, so our Titan box only had about a 30% of charge remaining in it. So yeah, that was a challenge, and this is why it was so exciting for us, because we successfully started both of those Learjet engines with the Titan box at only 30% capacity, which is amazing. I mean, these Titan boxes keep on amazing us. They just keep on delivering. We are, we're so happy with the product. We know you guys will be happy with the product as well. So please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and then check out megatitan.co.za in the description below for more of our products. All the Titan box specifications are on there, and there's a couple of more battery specs on there. We don't just do Titan boxes, we do a couple of other battery solutions. So yeah, please guys, give us a like and a subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one. And please enjoy the starting video of the Learjet.
Contact Mega Titan Power today for more information on our Titan Box GPUs. Like and subscribe, and leave us a comment.